kesi ni awie baabi a wo bia no ye ba ne de aba besom mo Sompa television so die o te enka oboro ne afomantem ne mu a Sompa 98.9 FM ekutai mu sa wo bono isia Techima ne nkransa kentampo wasugusu a wutie Sompa 90.7 FM and asantimantem ne mpotam nyina so no Sompa 93.1 FM ekroye mu awie and some porons a big ya de enam na poso eni oswofo a mamperi John Dramani mama pa no so hwe nsase eni madodode ho nsensem so abusuafo se ne mo kase wotemra so de fie mu a wono mo eduso no ye beko no mo na se ne osi yi ne nsem ano no yakọ akọji bia bremo
na Speaker of Parliament so de atodwa wase abaya se omodebo a oboye no ade hye no be ho no wase nhonyini dia ma wosene se wankasa obehye ho ni monyam
ya ni da kwan se mamperi John Dramani mama be ye nhyiemu dia fo be ye yenwomasua ho ne yekosi bone kan se eye public forum e dia afa ho na no na amanfo bi yam hyisi wonum se ebia na free se keso akwakwetwem enam so ba NDC aban e de enchemu aba
aya tatesa Ghana Revenue Authority warma kache panyepaya mampanyina pa no so nkonko hwe kire no abusua emebunu bi asori akwaje twi akwakogo no madaya wo ma na nya adwuma
Concern Smoke Scale Miners Association for so chese sika bi aba beto dwasa aban no so wode ko galamse efi 2017 edibeti afie twemu no chese se na omutirima nye yenti ndisi aban abai ehweso mba fifi
na zongo hene yo wo joso so de atodwa se wa ba fofrei wobaya bi dia boa mampontu nyuma so atumi akoso
abuzanfo we ni afoforo pinu an yakeke se ne se kase aba bia wo bia na wie ye ba na yede ababesom masada piesie yemfa emanyuma ekoyi
awia wonya mizo no 5G ababia bekoye dia mount 21st clinic so where sciatica expert through herbal center through co capsules tayachi awe na peso to kwan ko express group wo madaromo no obadoma boa wo no akọ na sa cloud internet yeda mo nyina mo aseda mo ase awie so Wokwa fontenta fidie no so www.sompaonline.com wokwa benya nsemi bi no wakenkan medin ene akosuya eje wakwadia boaten menimenia
nana ya obo amalibia boga
ensemi
abuzanfo yen shekase na semfamfiri o mayi ngumasua ho ensensem na sese de ani adakwan se enche bia mamperi John Dramani mahama ne ndisi aban ye be yenhyiemu ene ne yakwasi bronika ne se public forum na jeso magye amanfo adwene ne wo munsusuye ede afate bia o my god ne ngumasua ho ensensem wo mu anyem bia free sekese no ede no mu fi se ye de ewrawura mu tuatuemu hyemu a ebeboa ma na gina ne na so na oko fitiase school ne yakwasi bronika ne se basic school no a enema bia na wo senke call no mu a abandada ne twi nani a wanye ne gina no mo gye amanfo nsusuye ene o madwene ede afa ho Tamale South mrasebe dwani onabo Haruna Idrisu no ti ansɛmtwefo na so se abane ye ntoto ya enche bia sanhyemu we ebekoso eba se ye no nipa pinu anom nso no gugem se wanhwe ya na eye free SHS ya mampani na nado danko akufa ne MPP abane de baye no na NDC abayi ekwa akotwamu anase wonomo akwa akoyi ne fa bi ede afiri wonomo ma abatan aba betuetu eska eba se ye no Sompa FM ne Sompa TV nsɛmtwefo eye ne se yemo mpirimpanimfo e yenkobisa omo sa nyembia sanhyemu ye omo ba be yi ebedru ba bi amoma kwa akwadwene ho se mpofiri SHS no mu yefi wono mana ene mpese ya mabata ne bia ba betuetu esika eno ntima me Shamima Muslim a woye penimpa be de ekira ohwani amansa de nkomama NDC aban ne Ghana aban ekire mu se abata ne nkoma koma ntom yam ahefo no soso no omo didi a womo enum nso ogu so enkesu iye ho se ja nyansani na wade NDC aban enwene ho da ne mpese wono makwa akosia ba bi se free SHS ya MPP aban mampeni na danko akufa de baye no wono ode omo nse kwakọ kampore mpese womo ama bata ba betutu esko omo pese omo hyemu kina eye ni yie emeso bamfaso omamu no nyina mame Shamima Muslim
education issues and economic dialogue part of His Excellency John Dramani Mahama's 120-day promise before the elections. For can say many educational experts. Someone can say was saying international. How well has the free senior high school program worked? Where the gaps are the challenges because now as our report here, journey and Kodani the infrastructure now enough. Extra any classrooms and that's not for Momusia dear go a car not government at the school feeding for no caterers no baby not some the doors educational forum no it just promise now no the committee no be set up modality coming days we'll hear the detail of what we should do because His Excellency has promised an inclusive government where all voices will find representation. So we want the stakeholders to sit around the table together with government to assess the situation of our education. Ultra Education Minister Honorable Haruna Idris in the vetting now on my indication of just what he would be doing for the educational brief is simple. He should ensure there is quality education that is accessible and that is also affordable. So, however he's going to lead that charge is a very efficient leader and me. Mesra Ghana phone now suggestions, the contributions, no my programs said yeah omunka ashafo na awofo a omo nkoda mo secondary school omo anka so munim nsem na course and experiences na how omo go through no omo share. His Excellency John Dramani Mahama on the si na aben mo obia bibida wakoma bia ha obia no ka na yente na ebetimi ayeden solve the problem no. So as for freedom of expression is guaranteed. Freedom of the expression too is guaranteed. And this government is encouraging all citizens to be involved because let us build the Ghana we want to. Let's build it together. Just say contributed to building the Ghana we want together. The message say constructive criticism will be our educational review conference. Conference.
Observe nti weye ayema me Samima Muslim ena yete nenken penimfo a omohwe cheche abemu ensem de kire otemamfo ne omayimu adehye we penimpa be de kire na ocheche nsem nanso a eno achi emonimsam samampani John Dramani Mahama eni omayimu a Kenya bonten so omahinkro Nairobi ena ase ne mo kase wakwakopie ni nyina eye bibiri mama penimfo nhyemu bi omoye o Kenya bonten so ntina mama mpani John Dramani Mahama ho no enti eno so no kasa de fa ho echechiri mu emfaso a sanhyemu ya mampani John Dramani Mahama wo kro no de ebebro mamu no ene enema pia wode eko de akwakoka bibire mama mpanimfo enkunya wo mo ekwakosie ho ma me Samima Muslim de say to asomai
African Union your challenges since the setting up of African Union we haven't quite lived up to your potential and the instructors say leaders na nkasana on how to strengthen the African Union to ensure say as a bloc we are able to provide development security to our people. Yememuna they be almost sorry make a perilous journey across the Sahara in search of greener pastures that are not there. No, so they can have renewed faith in our country. So amongst many others, they are going to have conversations about the challenges our various continents face, about our continent's interaction with other blocs, the EU, America. Donald Trump is making a lot of statements. The foreign policy will obviously affect many African countries who have a response. He, over the time, will give you the reports on exactly what the conversations are and what the resolution the EU is taking. The citizens should also be doing or should expect from their government, so we'll build a stronger African Union and a stronger country.
Fonti weye ayema me Samima Muslim ne yete nenke penimpa be de yekira wo hwani amanse de nkomo ema aban ne mampani atena ye na odi nchechemu ema yedi enti a mampani John Dramani Mahama eni wo mayimu a owo Kenya bonten so ene emfaso a de bebro mayi na ochechemu de akire ye no
aso ba ko sebre no ani nyina wo kwan a won mo hwe ne mu se oba to man yan sase ekwa bretuo no wanei nipa be no agye aboso ye kano sagalamse no ni nyina no won betumi ahwa na wode yi atoye aya so ye hwe sase ne odoma koma ne omaso na panyimpa ya nema panyina pa no a wote akonya hyehye so veteran committee fo nim ya wo mu bisa ne nsam ayira Emmanuel ama kofibu a papa ebra okopie mu no ana wo ba be kire se Nyankopon ya adom na tumidie ne nya de hye ne nsase kimu a Wabara so ma Ghana yakwa bretu no wada ho na ye pesa tetenchiri manyina babato na warmati abakwasem a wo ho no wabara so obibia dantumi nkomu biem na galamse no won konkotuo wase ya anya ne sa ne yakoso aha yani ne yakase ye hwe dache no wama Ghana de nsabegu yetiye pa etia no ya na motuo soronko edi kan ya wono wababa tena konya so obedi ka ye sane be ya yakwa bretu no abasa fa ne ntoma pa afrebiu.
As for that, it is non-negotiable, end quote. Will mining in forests reserve, all mining in forests reserve be banned? And if so, when? Thank you.
Thank you, Honorable Chairman. Honorable Chairman, it is correct. We have said that there will be no new mining activities in forest reserve, and the intention is to make sure that LI 2462 will be amended to make sure that this provision that allows mining in forest reserve is not in place. We will make sure that happens. If you give me the chance as the minister, that will be the first order of business, to make sure that there will be no new mining activities in forest reserve. We must stop the
Honorable Chair, sorry, I'm very sorry I have to interrupt. Honorable nominee, sorry.
Honorable member,
the president, no, sorry,
Honorable
Chairman.
member, with all due respect, it is not the answer that you want. Allow the nominee to answer the question, and if you have a follow-up,
he missed the question. No, sorry, he missed the question. Sorry, he missed the question. So I'm just repeating the question.
So why Raymond Olama Kofi Bwani attending can and watch no and waka be beautiful and so and a quite strong crown no so baba faso na aninu and nay ayan watching a pound no ebesanso as a sebu.
We are bringing 3 great initiatives. The Blue Water Initiative, which seeks to heal and harness the environment by turning areas degraded by illegal mining into hubs of economic and ecological recovery. That's what we are going to do. We are also going to do Tree for Life initiative. To reforestation will be intensified. We are not only going to focus reforestation only in the forest, we are also going to encourage afforestation across the country. Chairman, you know, we are going to really push for another policy of Restore Ghana to deal with the issue of galamsey impacted lands and water bodies through a comprehensive land and water-based rehabilitation. These are things we are going to do to really address all the damage and heal the wounds. In the meantime, as we are doing that, we are going to make sure LI 2462 is no more, so that we can stop any further mining in forest.
I was sure why so for a pound no baba and sassen or Duman Comaso, Yera Emmanuel Ama Kofibua.
Na opani Emmanuel Ama Kofibua manansoa no echesusu na enkomodidi enimu no amraseja no kwakubusa no se omonim no soso enenim sam se aban sase pie ohono mu a wo mamanyofo ye MPP ni NDC fuyi omunya bedi ade pe omofomfom ne saa esa so tono fofofofofo a ensese eba ne saa sabre ya wo be soafo a obehwe ye nsa ase ni mododode ho nsansami ono soso ba beto aso atonto aban sase fofofo no ohono mu saa no na se ekwan be no de befa so ora Emmanuel Ama Kofibua ebua no sei.
Thank you, Chairman. Chairman, as we speak today, the guidelines for the sale of public lands, according to the Lands Commission, is that it is valued and then 25% of the value is what is sold. And then the rest is paid through ground rent. What I am telling you that is different, and that's the commitment of the new NDC government, is that that will not happen anymore. And that public lands will be valued, and anybody, first of all, it should not be sold. If there's a need to sell it at all, it has to be done at the current market value, and make sure that the people of Ghana are not shortchanged. Any attempt, and I think that I have to also say that, Chairman, as you know, the President recently communicated that the sale of all state lands be put on hold, and that a thorough investigation, a thorough review is done. I think I am yet to go to that ministry. My task is that when I get the opportunity to go to the ministry, I'll get a chance to review all these lands and what has been done, and I'll be in that position to make very good judgment. But I can tell you what I will do. Every decision I made will be guided by what I just said. We cannot take decisions that will shortchange the people of Ghana, and I will do so.
Abuzanfo ye NDC mraswe jeni owo mraswe je fiema desi ewo lembela baton pesu aso ato e mantem Honorable Emmanuel Amakofibu an yete ne kare no eche so no galamse ko a MPP aban yi na mampeni na nado danko akufo ado de animu no wo mo ekon ye no wo se entwa ye kura wo se agie akufo ado nsem a eno ne ka ho bi ama my Ghana yensuo nyina aye dikadika wo de yehwea enye nti galamse ne de MPP aban ya mampeni na nado danko akufo ado de animu no wo se agi wo mo nsem a kwasibro ne be
Chairman, as you know, indeed it is true. The previous administration started very well. There was a ban of mining in all places for 6 months. It was extended to 9 months. But at the end of the 8 years, the outcome is what we all know. Degraded lands, polluted water bodies, and all-time turbidity levels according to the Ghana Water Company, and wanton destruction of forest reserves. These are clearly facts that clearly indicates that indeed that fight was a failure. Chairman, I think that the question is for the nominee is asking me that a nominee who is here to go to the ministry should sit at the vetting committee to declare state of emergency. This is what I intend to do. Obviously, these are very grave issues. We are very committed to first ensuring, as you know, it is illegal for anybody to do mining on water bodies. Exactly what must be done to make sure that we stop with immediate effect.
Abuzia Honorable Emmanuel Amakofibu a wono na mampeni John Dramani Mahama boni din semra sebija fogine tumu a wankoye soafo a obehwe o mayi yensa cinema dodode ho nsensem so
Onmanya for Alban Sumana Baben aya soafo na sempo Speaker of Parliament chamehine a awo my Ghana mro sebeje fie na panyepade ato dwa wase wiasem dia oguo na no na wutwa ana ayapa se wo mponto nwuma a woya na onwuma bedi wachie na omafo na wono ne wo ye agina so aye honyini kakraka ade ahye wani monyam sene se wanka saw to me dia kita wo no wo be pagya honyini dia si wo no ma hye wanka sa ho ne honyam wo se wo ka no waka kosisai mampanye na danko akufo adro ye a wotwa mu koyi wo se na no wada enhonyini kwa okuruye esi takorade wi akire Ghana fo binom se wo mompa ya omkobubu no no wasanya se bubu ombubu no no woka se oma yade a wokanfo wo modabita wase no korade atia mara tia hyehyeye se yeboye honyini de ase wo no ma hye obi animunyam na be wi akire wo de mara ba hye wonsam abubu no nazo so na nko no ko na dwiri mu a na wosanka mampanyi dada wo twentwen so kakra na Ghana fo no ahunu ne modern bone ne oma wodro be ye no na wogina so ahye na animunyam wase we na kwaye asa ne nti amani pa binim kura wo ne sase papa no sabi o waya yekokoti dodo ehwani mu wona fa ana bibia no pese animunyam woje edema ne ho.
Don't sow evil. If you sow evil, you will reap it. In any case, when you are alive, it's not advisable to build a statue for yourself. When you are no more, the people who admire what you have done, they will build a statue for you. We will do all we can to stop the moral decadence. It doesn't help any person for us to have a lawless society. But please, leadership is to set the best examples so that others will follow.
So Royal Speaker of Parliament, Yera Urban Smana Babin.
Abusia safe no abeka ho ayeka wo se Sompa television ye wi apram to breka se na nsam no bia wo bia no yeguso ayede mamo awie Sompa television so nie se wo bono ne afoma ntem ne mu a Sompa 98.9 FM ekutai mu bono East ye Sompa 90.7 nti o nkransa wo kintampo ene ne mpotamo no nyina tachi mabonten so a Sompa 90.7 FM no asoguso a wote na asante bantem ne nkwado nyina so no Sompa 93.1 FM ekra yemu awie nsemi so no se o social media no so a Facebook Sompa 93.1 FM etwagu ho no mo na okọ YouTube no so a Sompa TV Ghana na chese okay ho no mo adwenkyere no nsusue wo de bia no mo iguso a ye bekese no emamo no breba mu a yedwedwam de amamo yento akase no so emfa emamo na yemfamo enko ensemfufrum yedemo ekọ national we call the concern small scale miners wo mo national nyina no mo akabo mu de ensem etuma mpede John Dramani ma mani mu se wo mo de wo makọ hwehwia ena wo mo ne nam no makọ akote se yesiba mpani na nado danko akufu ado aban ye twa mu na anu ye se yesisi ko mu twaye so wo mo di tu galamse ase a ankosi aga no empimanim wo mo hwehwia akọ akote se be $200 million dollars ebunabunu no ahanu million no ena wo mo de koye so mo de kwakutu galamse ase ye wi ase ade ne kra jensemu a Ghana nso nyina eseye eno concerns Small Scale Miners Association for Esrema Mpeni John Dramani Mahama Wabei sesika we no nenka ekobase bi edi ye bibi fufuro ewo mani mu a enke beboa ye pamo maye adane ma niema pi akonkan nti obi bia sikai yatamde ma no se ampaso omdi kotu galamse ase a yenchiche omu nyina na mfisimu enkoso ebzafo nenke yewese ye bekwa amano so na ye ne titire ni national president edema concern Small Scale Miners Association kuno ora Michael Kojopepra ke bekwa amano so ne na kwakode nkomo na nso awie ye puso awomano a wanyi yeso afi kra de ye zababa wo bia ba betena phone so ka kire se the mobile phone you have dialed is out of coverage Nigeria yiguso a ya ye toato ahomano yensa eka ora Michael Kojopepra ye ko ngene na kwakodi nkomo afa ensemi a wo mo ede tuma mpeni John Dramani Mahama animuyo
Awosona na yansa kwa humano so na ne amane boni kwajoba afon konkodi nkomo na amane boya yansa ka chiromusa Yewra Anthony Sapon ya ne mampanyina boni din wa pa no sa Ghana Revenue Authority won kwankwa ye hwa chire sa acting commissioner general no okwakoduru ho no mu a mabunu bi nsoso akwakoduru ho adayi a won mo ra ne nya adwuma kikiri ye bia hyase a chase amane muso ewo no mo anya asem ketwa kora na wo bentumi hunu de nei ayaba mabunu bi no muso sa ya ban na abaso ye ne yateso enjidi pa ne ye ewose ye ne kire ne ewose mampanyi ne tena konya so sa panyi pa ya obabehwa kire ne ade anam so ntino ama Yewra Anthony Sapon baba no wo hunu nanim no wachi se woko anase wosanso esan ne nyina mo no mampanyi John Dramani Mahama wono na appointment ni kura no tumidie no se obetumi ahwe na waye bi ade aboa ayansan kwa oma no so na yenkonkodi enkomo ebiem ajo yabusia yenya no nti yento aso yenya no a yara no ebedi enkomo
wiase ye homa no eni ye edikitu mamehwe oto agudie bi eguso etoatoa so hu enya wo mu a ye beto aso ne no makwa akodi nkomo ye nto aso na ye famo enkonsem fufurum ye demo ekoye nkrase ne apapa mamuo eho ensensem sese ye nyina ye ni dakwan brekropoti ya mampedi John Dramani Mahama begina tumi a omaye ya mamra constitution ya mamra ne nchama ne dia ma no so no apa ora no mu a ombekoye nkrase omomukudi DC omomukudi MC no omo so no ombeye meyo nyom ne ade no kese obi ehwe brekra mampedi John Dramani Mahama ebe pa wonum ene wo so omutiri beyeye no mo akwakokuta sadi bre no ewo NDC abaye mu no pedi ba ko a wono nani abede pa ye ne bidi enso jankasa mekra de wanane a papa epekemi ahweso se Kumasi Krupon Amrado na na sarbedi akopapa NDC abanda da no mampedi John Dramani Mahama no die mu no ne penso na odi DC ewo enkawe ne mpotamu sese de wo pe Kumasi Krupon nyina ene kese wa hweso na sarbedi akọ kire se onde ugidi wa rehemu se era no bia party mpeni for wa santimantama sei edu omudi akwakoma mampeni so wonhwemu nye CCC si dada ko kata bonkuto no nyimu ba ko no ugidi wa rehemu se wono ena mampeni chese ne nsa besi no so na ɔde di bere namba no mana ba behwe Kumase so se Kumase amrado na Nasare Bediako.
The two abani year 2020. 6 months after that, when I started campaign, I was the first person I made a car brand the NDC and them Kuma Harmony United be doing what I said. So for 3 good years. Internet man you woman ye na ye near hwan so mpundi beba na mo abrehye mo se pedifo ni meduma yaye and omunim se ke menye bia asebe ye bia eye bia obetim bia agro eye bia ehia se bia so se bia nya eye akukutu experience and again ebu enidie de mampani want to me benim say with ahombrase am won God will no bibia be ye okay very tedious work. And the moment that you are challenging this way, and me who is my way, my bida, I will be able to dance here. Say I was judged the #1 DC in Ashanti region, 2 in the whole country. It tells you say I've gotten the experience. I'm worried. So say God willing, it's a new opportunity. I think say everyone because 1 minute the boy sign, minute me who be free is sign. It is a minute this opportunity. I'm worried. So say God willing, no, a day is a grammar. I'm making my here. I think say you should be able to say a boakwa ni sune ne ban aye game na wo hwe e kwan a ye fa so eye adwuma nku ye ba ya the worry chemo say enye problem right because one who what mama nipa metini pass bi obi a meku ade ye ma no mu ne no be ye adwuma ye ne ahemfo ne ba be ye adwuma ye ne akuku dam ne ba be ye adwuma. Imagine the kind of hospital I work within the metropolis. It tells you say me pray me was na menya fama ahoho fama e ma nipa de sani bi am ne ne be sai na me mo arehye say me suni me ban one menye arrogant menya ahomaso two me bu bi biara obeba makwa three me nipa bi asabi nipa nkanko e ye me haw a de bi am pese nipa e konkan and with me with him in the memory she say aside that a party as like the NDC Ashanti region yet to aba they be make say Ashanti region enye baby aye vote you vote pa something depending the kind of leadership that we have. And with me the cash in the main say Ashanti region come 2028 and no ma besisa
Abzanfo weye ayena Nasare Bediako na anu ya NDC abanye twemu na ODDC ewo enkawe ne mpotemu a enei na ni abrea hechese ope KMA Kumase kruponi nyina ahweso se amrado na one ensemdwefo di nkomo cheche na niso ade hono modi a kire manzan no
21st clinic na ya comfort ya mo bibia se na ko na ko hwe wapom de mu efi wo kire so ko ka wona se awosua ya de bai ana cheche wa ko 21st a wo ntumi hwema wo wasase ya taka ya de wo ma bene mu yie pa se wo kwa wo to asentini no ya twen wo de ba na amro mu a ama wo ba akoko mpenu 21st wo mo de ho dwuma wo mo branches na dɔso Kumase wo hwe overseas junction wo bo ase council quarters Accra Dome market afesu nya ne nkranza tachima na wanyina no wo kwa bisa se wo pe 21st baby a wo mo wo mba chiro kama 0540311311 0540311311 3 herbal center sunie yare 3 ko capsules abao esisi ade na kokwa dro tatahwe pa ayam timu so ka ho obi bia da wontumi nya onan wafura yakutu okokotena so ja emframa nko na ba sabaya na betumi akoro ne no so akwa ebuache bidin wo ya 3 ko capsules na watumi dia yujem kwale na ka ba dani haba misti anasa pedan kokwa won sabaka na from panyimfo 0546 107 0546 107 internet papa do ade maye aya cloud internet wasa wifi na CCTV camera may install bi fama aya digital security locks we posting baby bia da fa internet wo de wokwachi wo mu abusua watwa nkoso wasa wo top high one love FM din shani mu 0202 699 110 0202 699 110 Express Group do kwa Canada US UK ane Australia New Zealand nyina ya do bekọ ubechine ba bia wa bra homa asem da sede ya sha se ya pam nkrofo free US no wode ya wokwa na okita won krata bia ya ready dada Express Group se Kumase wasafo labor runabout Accra so can she first light 0249 000448 0249 000448 mezo ane 5G nso yada mo ase an sadao ye gina so na yada ho ne apenso bi anom ya ba ne aka chi no yada beto so mamo
tika no o nerves na wo to ase na fa wo siremu na fa wo nansia besi ase ho no se ho techema eno ene ye fa ne sciatica na etimi bubu o to ase ka wo se dwe wo sirem wo je ho ba bia enye na no na 21st clinic ba ye adwuma pa wo mu yenti abaso bo ma gine wo Ghana ha ene amono ne enya asem ketewa wo mu gi international awards ahodo wo mu gi local awards ahodo na anu nso na wo mu bie the only sciatica research and treatment center in Africa bibrim ha no ebi ni ba bia gi 21st clinic nkoa wo mu de bibiduro ene besa o yare no masa de machine aka ho eya yare sabia yare bia wutimi de ko ne mama ade ba ko a wo ma gidi wo mu pa no eye sciatica ena stroke nso de kwa diabetes ni hypertension ni ade Ghana ha ba bia wo mo ho 0540 311 311 0540 311 311 na 21st clinic wo mo ye sciatica expert.
Introducing Mixer 5G Sparkling Drink, a whole new refreshment in a can. Mixer 5G is a tasty non-alcoholic drink. It is a perfect companion for all your events, including parties, weddings, and funerals. It is made with green tea, ginseng, guarana, grapes, and grapefruit. Get refreshed with Mixer 5G Sparkling Drink. For bulk purchases, contact 0246 270 221. This advert is FDA approved.
Braka say aduabon waso a ne dwumedi wo nipadua biara pom den ene na brabo mu ne hieye pa enye braka say nko nuaba ne haban bi te se ko nsusu a abonwono ne dia akeka ho no kura enwanunu ahodo a ekwa animu yi ankasa braka say ne say nuaba yi binom ne akeka bobudi afa abefo kwan so a ye de aye braka say powder siesi nipadua na ba akwa ahodo no ho ban afri mpani yade ne yade ahodo pi ho fa enkunate de ma ba ko freduane anopa ne enwumre anafa enkunate de ma ba ko woni suhie yeti anopani anwumre wobra wodidi awie ubenya preke se powder to Kingswalk Herbal ni Heroes Herbal Accra OKC Drug Lane Dani Herbal Umase Mensa Takrade Mose Pharmacy ni Greenlight Pharmacy Sunwane Kashenkari Supermarket Asantwa Herbal ni Abibidro Depot Techiman Sewa Herbal Mampong etufo mfre 0550 19 15 14 preke se powder aduane san yedru FD ahwehwe sankratu mu agiatum
ei sewa me hu acho me na no me bisa ekwa so kwa brochu
kwaku afeina me beko me nkrata krani
ei eni me ma connection ma for den kofo sika aduane ne wanya otwedi dimu sa no
oh group adornment akwanto ayefo opese otu kwan kosua dia express group do be call mind me to say Canada, US, Australia, UK, and Germany. Say a tour and as a visiting so express group do be call Dubai, Canada, US, Australia, and Germany. Mo am person mo tu kwan ko ye adwumanso obetimi do wako Dubai, Qatar, and as South Korea. If you also want to take international tests like SAT, IELTS, TOEFL, GRE, GMAT, they can help you pass easily. They can also help you secure a good job in the UK. You should make sure kwan wo Kumasi Asafo Labor roundabout hwa Accra so omo Carnation First Light Tama omo Community 18 Lashebi Girl Filling Station. From more ahomatro for iso 055 555 0067 and 0249 000448.
Sompa TV, Emma Akitiapa.
Amakachia pampa Adam was say yatwa and some no aso. Now Saraki Mustafa Muhammad, one no aya Josso Zongo Hinaya way for Frokra, and Anon Wadnisia Konya so yatrose, Waba Fat Mediana de so no to Tonoma, Ama Josso Zongo so as Aswajana Subim. Now one and another to draw Atra Sabawa Bay. Wamana hogro son wamana so babe diagro sanse zongo hiampuntu zongo yanka bom womi yakro ye suku ade awodo bia woso musisi afenso so mosque ne ade a awose won mo ye man potam wonom ahodi ma patumi fa ntoma pefre no wose bre na so pa sende ya wabatena konya se zongo hene no wotime hwa na wototo anuoma na ebro na nan nsamtrofo akasane yamane boni odi asempa akọ mu bia wode mu amane bo ebre sei
man zongo for me say we no say zongo for what me aba akọ ebi aba me nana mpapa me nua no aba kakra mo ye no eso mo but on say ewemo won so kakra nyankopon e dia ma experience nyankopon dia ma na won so da e dia abeta olu echi before me even I started some little projects so that school then I have makaranta started earlier but young community and then my experience and then come for let's year what they are here so let me do my experience I will do it and also aban anase municipal at say no ashiam zongo yan pese bi abata say yan na ye troublesome no we are intellectuals our zongo pese no no kabu na yan twagum ekriye na yan kala hundu ntimi adwuma na ewo awantimi eye mane me dia daka do wo ma mo twem no mo ye takra na ye pese ye san ye den eto ye pe obi a obetuna aboa me eto aso na yankopon ene me ya left yankopon left me say me eto aso na so me say with my chiefs wo ma channels da no embe boa together me yina ya kambu eye djuma no because djuma no enye mi pe da ko de aye yina ye de
I was a warrior Sariki Mohammed Mustafa ni yatena kana Joso Zongo hene na nwachi no nana obe panyini ya watosum ye no wano ne kwagina Joso mahene anemu nana frano okese akasa ye wano so die ni
esi hene no ama asumdwe aba na hwe nipa eba ye no a na kire pefe se panyini na yayi no mofuwa no na mota adachi na mom woma ebua ahenie ne de tiese wudi hina de obabua wo pa ma wotena konyan so no etere bi asebi mpraduasa ade obeye no emfa kwam eso so kwa kan wasem nam do si so de oya no emfa kwam o eso kwa kan wasem nam do si so ede mesrew mommoa no na ema asumdwie emra zongo ho no mo na yin na yintumi ntina asumdwie mu na yintumi chechire dwosoman no ese yin na aye dia yenyina aye dia ne ntum tijire so man no enti sachi waba ne mo akwa aba yewura ba de ne be kana won so de esa wo yo no wo de abeto anim enti asema wo ho no enti medamu nyina ase se mo yi wo hina mo pe
Arusha way aya ajoso nyara se hene ne yatena kana na obe panyi ya otosum yenu wona kwagina ajoso mahene na na frano kesa na mu a wakasai
yamfa monko asante achima gugwe na omo mpi omanya no foforo ye ohene Kwame Frimpong na eneyi wose ye onkola ne pi won mpasua no so a omuti ediboa wonum nem so boafo a na obeso masinem no waboa wonum amamotima konkai wonum asuom ne ya na mpempie ho odene enu nti wono a ede ne nsa hye ne botom ya woyi sika pudo ene nkwala no ma bembene no a wo ehye no a omunya boafo bia no wode ebepia wonum no ma akonkai wo enwomasuom ono abo ohene Kwame Frimpong cheche nsem semra na odane sikai ede aboa nkwala no nwomasua
ye she yunuanom a eco school wasante achim of ye shom nkran dibutaye ne nkranhye sebe yo mayero mo suade awero no suade na impo ifie den a onim se okay from Paul Obabo ama so akosua po na university akutia wadisias 20 ye bobo di 11 ewa ha 8 more ewo ho na afibia eyade a meye se na ebe ya meso mebo asa especially sabri ya ye MP edie meye afibia efu se inter make te meye MP ene se menya maketua meso me kan se maketua ba me mfa me sanka na me mfa me sanka ni bia ni aso ata se we maketua nya mai but musika ya kre wo no ma pre me hu na se de be di dwuma bi nti mfia akakra aka wo enim no ebe ba no maketua me de be ye man se afibia bia so 100% scholarship hostel school fees ibetua ye raise ye yes ade we se be ya 4 years I did carry as anti-atom for the amount of some commerce maybe now you university graduates akoma 80 that was anti-atom no
Abuzafo nti we ayo hene kwa mefrempon a woye mrasebe dwani owo mrasebe dwafie ma de hye wo asante achem no for baton peso aso wo asante mamu na yete ne nkanana na no si ya na nana oben ajeisa wansa woye asante achem agogo muani nko hene esoso ede kakra epi MPD eso seye
asanse nkode na wo wo asante achem ane wabeye MP wo asante achem yeni musa o ma no so haya obekoswa wa konkone na waji asante achem asi no esanse asante achem ya bia so wo be bedi ani mo na nyame anka ho ho enya botre so na ne ma bebe wa tutu ni ya abena nipa anhyase na ye ka ahwasem ye penisa ti de etu ko ani se ye wo ho konkone na hwe asante achem yi na hwe asante achem yi a in said the way bia so if I bet how much your mana unyamia ya mwadum nene mwanya scholarship amodi ko school no monna munya nkopon ase na monna motire so edibo amonso ase esanse edin pa se nemre obi be yini hu ase wo se ni bo ani pa sei amomo timi akọ wani esramo Omo pa ebo munya dene baby amoko no so moye mo ho amoko chiade ye esanse asante atim hia mo asante atim betum pon a na firi nwumasua esanse kwa me firi pon so onimo nguma aka di wodre ko ho na esanse opese mo na chi bia mo mu bi be so no nti na wayi ni sika so ode ebu amo mo ma sika na wayi na nyakwa mo ko chiade ye
Abuzafo nti weye eye emuani nko hene owo asante achem agogo na obien ajeisa wansa ne yete ne nkere no akire enkwala no so omutiri ye ya sike omunsa ka bia ekoboa wonum ewo wo mongomasua mu so no dia sra piesi ema omo emrasebe gani
ohene kwame from pons nti na misumanya akwanya se meko school eye kwame nkromasua pon aye dodo na afani K University Kumase medana sinyame hira no nyame hye na mu no moano ani so ade hunu nyina o mane mbra mama no
Atominya meko school PUG na meda ohe kwa me frempon ase so wasoma sen na me anka minye ni da so say invest in ka meko bi wo hwe me so for 4 years ni na me koye nurse no so obehwe me so na me hye ne bo say me wie meko school no makosua de na me wie a asante ache man ne Ghana man na nya me so mfa so me das school me meko school Kenya ST and I'm going to offer geography and geography and rural development. Meda nana ohine kwa me frempon so asi so mama akwanya kesiri and I'm not going there to joke menya admission or PhD wa there no my yeme ho sua ne ye na ohin kwa me frempon ahu papa ya oye so mfa so na me encourage me nyama me mfisa mo so besua de no monye emema sem
mo masama de yemwa mo sisi so hunte mo nyire mo na mo ni go school no ejiwe MP oba foforo kra ewo asante achem no for baton pesu aso ya asante achem agogo ohne kwa me frempon na mo ntufefa otu ye na nkwala no so omo eda na se no
ana sawo ko so me makata ana so me interchange ampanyefo ya se wo mo ba yenti Ghana Water Company Limited wo mo ga pipelines awodo na nam ho no wonu matutu amena ewo swame edwanum ho amacho se amena na kakraka na tetrete se tienie eno na akon bia madwarifo ma na mema anugumu a wonu mo kasa se ne amena na sitie no sampanyefo ahwe nwa na muntu na wonu mantu ni ntam se won bakata so ana bibi etesa ahwe betumi de ohawa papa sanse nei ensuo to na nsu kase aba betamu a ebetumi akwakofa ohawa ba nipa won betomu afiri muo won ba hwere won nkwa wo ho no eno so ba akwafa asem kase de aba na so nti no empanyefo nya bi mfam wai na samana no won kata so a won kata so ne fa somdwe emre wo mo
Shansu damu kasia we yentimi twatwa ne yakodwo yakoto ade o yate eja sese ye ne wan ane yetimi atwa nsuo yi ne yakọ timo da wo ma mo hwe ma ye wo hwe nsuo ne tira tiri bobobobo wo ya ne se adada ho wata wasifo so mo ba ye de hu ya so abeto etimi bu ko dwomo nyina no ba be dundum ne kakra na asa akofom se we se na mu bu eba o wuto ma wo bie eba akane de so wuto ma wo bie o na no bi tat wantini afa ba da fa ko so
eda abeze ni
wiki ani
se ye ba mo so mo ya pipe amaye pipe no mo ya amaye no eni se ye hwan so bi pipe na pipe baby eto ade ni nyina so yira fa ha mnada akura bi to mu kura ye nya asem nti ye bon pass ye rade mu anom be man na ye hunta se ya kafi ntimi nto ade fiti ya wada na kopum sa be ye ntimi mbadwom na
suro kura se nkula bi anajo obi ba wonhu wonu se bibi se da ha beto man ni na ye manu na na eti se ntimi nto ho he e man fo ntimi fa ha no e meto ade ba bi ye wo se so ame market na me gina police station na side Abuapa station. Pa, any other town of Friday, fun say, any pound quite here, sinning, scanning a pen. What's as make us obinim or found no say, what it on one, but training one. No more than a pipe, no more, some more than that. I would say to you.
I was so Swami Jom, other shabby at a woman came.
Abzafo yenya we so na awia nsem e papa no de ba beso mo no ye de mo sia se ni asore ama Sompa nkomo aba beto asukukwa ne chinchin fide de ma ye mrante ne maba wa Sompa FM ne Sompa TV newsroom akoso asomo abuzi ya Grace no nyina eta ye chima bia wo bia ne timi ba beso mo ye semofo ne ora asante ebo a Benedict midin e de na ya abo amale bia boga wi emene
akosia eje wakode boatin